Why is a phone's battery life such an important factor? Samsung has a strong track record when it comes to battery life. The S23 Ultra, which survived our battery test for more than 12 hours, made it onto the following list of devices with the best battery life. Not far behind, with a battery life of almost 11.5 hours, was the S23 Plus. On the other hand, Samsung's smallest flagship phone, the S23, boasts a 10-hour and 27-minute battery life. The Galaxy S23, with its 6.1-inch display, is the smallest of the flagship phones, so there isn't much room for a larger battery when we test the phone by continuously browsing the internet using cellular connection. The Galaxy S23 Plus boasts a 4,700 mAh battery, whilst the S23's has a 3,900 mAh battery. As a result of the Galaxy S24's larger 6.7 and 6.8-inch screens, Samsung may employ stacked batteries in some of its phones. These batteries are denser and provide more power without growing the phone's size. But in order to keep the phone from overheating, this needs a cooling system, and the stacked battery is only supposed to work with the S24 Ultra and S24 Plus variants. Although Samsung has not disclosed their plans, the enhanced chipset in the phone may contribute to longer battery life for the S24. With a CPU that is anticipated to be 20% more effective than the before Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and a GPU that should be 10% more effective, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is projected to increase power efficiency. Better battery life should result for phones using the new Qualcomm chip. However, it's not known if the Galaxy S24 will include Qualcomm silicon. Despite the market, the S24 Ultra will use a Qualcomm chipset. Nevertheless, the S24 and S24 Plus it might use Samsung's Exynos 2400 processor, but we don't know how effective these chipsets will be in certain regions, so we can't say if they would extend the phone's battery life. Other phones are finding ways to continuously prolong the battery life, which puts Samsung's smallest flagship smartphone at a possible disadvantage if the Galaxy S24's battery life is comparable to that of the S23, which can run the full day on a single charge. When Samsung releases the Galaxy S24 in early 2024, we can't wait to see how they handle this problem. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.